Capcut AI Video Generator PC. So, Capcut's desktop version now includes a powerful AI video generator, letting you convert text scripts into full videos. So, complete with visuals, voiceovers, captions, background music, and even AI avatars, which is pretty much designed to streamline content creation in just a few clicks. So, it is built into Capcut's Windows and macOS desktop. The script to video or text to AI video feature helps creators turn ideas into polished short form videos. So you type or paste a script or let CapCut generate one. Then choose visual style, avatars, tone, and the tool handles everything from editing to export. So in order to use this, you're gonna have to install the newest version of CapCut, of course. And once you're in the main screen, you should be able to see the AI video maker option right beside the create project. So just go ahead and press on that, and you should be able to see the options you have for the AI generation for CapCut. You can go ahead and start from scratch and use a new project, or you can use these options over here where you can use instant AI videos, you can brainstorm with AI, you can do avatar videos, or you can match media to script in one click. There are also templates over here for other sort of stuff. You can go ahead and use these if you want and you no longer want to script that much, but mainly it's gonna be expected that you're gonna go ahead and create your own new main script. Now, technically, the idea of making an AI video is easy. The only hard part is creating the script. So the idea of creating a script in an AI video is quite difficult. It can't really be put into one video. To really master it, you're gonna have to learn much more about it. There are lots of info you can find in online and also directly in CapCut. So there's gonna be some tutorials in the CapCut. You can go ahead and take a look at those demos and information about the features that this app does have. You can go ahead and choose your scenes. You can look at the avatars and the available voices for your AI video. You can also go ahead and generate AI media, match media, and look towards match stock media. Other than the scenes that's already available for the CapCut AI, you can also look at its elements. You can look at the caption template, which has a lot currently available. So put in mind, most of these are free, so you can always go ahead and try them. But there's also an AI edit over here. Automatically highlights keywords and add music, stickers, effects. You can apply that, but it's still in beta, so there might be some sort of glitches, but of course you can always go ahead and try. And finally, the music for your video. There's categories you can go ahead and try and recommended based on what you've been doing inside CapCut. But of course you can just go ahead and directly search for music that can fit your own video. Mainly, you're probably gonna spend most of your time creating a script in your AI generated video. You can go ahead and put in a topic, the key points of that specific script. Let's go ahead and put in some random numbers, the duration for this script, mimicking a writing style, and then more requirements if you want, and make sure you have everything filled up in order to actually create that specific script. So over here, you can add as much scripts as you want, depending on the idea on what you have for your video. So of course, you're gonna have to learn much more about scripts and how they are used to be formatted. But of course, in order to create this AI generated video, you're gonna have to go ahead and sign in. But anyways, that's really much the basics you have for CapCut's new video AI. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.